Alright, Van.
Okay, enough kisses. Enough kisses, silly boy.
What color eyes are Van's eyes? It's like a hazel's?
Yeah, it's like a hazel.
Yeah. There you go, buddy.
Yeah. There's a mountain
There
cleaner
you go.
You can't see your face, though. No,
Venus.
no. You guys already ate. Oh!
Venus here's the munching and she wants the food. Good boy, Van.
Not a crumb left. No crumbs.
Good boy.
Okay, no crumbs.
Good boy.
Come down. Picture. No, come down. Picture. Picture. Look. No, come down.
We already took pictures. We're just doing video.
You're such a good video.
So Van is a medium higher energy boy. He is definitely the peppiest one of the litter. Yeah, good boy, honey.
Let me see your face. Let me see your face.
He's very
He has
affectionate,
No, he has a
very
handsome
confident.
Face, though. Look at that
Yeah. Good boy, sweetie. Good boy. Oh, there you go. Can we even see those eyes? We took close up, so hopefully
You see the eyes?
the pictures of the eye color will come across. Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful eyes.
Beautiful, and his hair is turning into like this warm, smoky color. Yeah. Really pretty. Good boy, Van. All right, we're going to do a little video on the floor. All right, Van, you ready? You ready? Good boy.
Look up.